Rohan, look at my background.
Arshada is better. She look like professional. Other people here I see. Let's everybody have one video. I think I didn't see video of Chirag and Chetan what they are doing. I did not seen Manu also not seen Saugandhi no. विभू का सोफा में अच्छा लग रहा है. We have 24.
game on activity.
अभी reverse we will go with reverse.
Avinash. The background. Avinash. Avinash. 1 minute. See what I have?
You're doing in mobile or laptop?
Change the background. Same. Avinash, same background. Now I'm going to change to Minecraft.
Rohan, you entered?
Yes, I entered.
Okay. Where is your video?
Okay, I think let the group members see whether all the team members have joined or not.
हाँ मम्मी स्टार्ट होगा मेरा मीटिंग अब हो रहा है मीटिंग डांस का डांस का तो दिखाया जाएगा सब तो वीडियो भेजे थे पानी लो पापा मोबाइल पे बात कर
Sejal, you are using Sarthak one. Where is yours? You are connected from Sarthak. You are not connected, Sejal.
Uncle Vibhu and one more person didn't join from our group, Uncle.
Bibu joined, no? Bibu is there.
अब मेरा हमको ज्वाइन कर अंकल उसमें नहीं करना
ये हिसाब से तो रेट ठीक लग रहा है तुम
Uncle, in our group everybody is there.
Okay. Which one? Group 4?
Yeah.
Yes.
Group 3? Group 3? Sarah?
Checking.
Sarah, Medha, Yudhiti, Harsha,
Yes, sir.
Sandhi, Anvita. Okay, all are there?
Is not there. Anvita is not there.
Ashwada?
Jayant bhai,
Ah.
group 4 is there. We'll go with them first now.
Uncle.
Group 4
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
group 1
Uncle,
Yeah, yeah, we can just quickly
link in which link should I join? Third वाला हमको लगता है.
third link. Anyway, you are here only, no?
No.
Okay, I and brother want to join in another device. So
नहीं
No, you have to join separately. No, Sarthak तेरा मोबाइल किधर है?
लैपटॉप पे करो मैं ये सेजल फिस आ गया थर्ड वाला ना है मैं लैपटॉप पे कर रहा हूँ everyone is खत्म करो
Okay, Chetan, group A. First group, everybody is there?
Rudra and Ajay is not there.
Yeah, Ajay, okay. Group. So we can start, yeah. Venki? Yogis, can you share?
let's come with group 4 now from backwards.
Yeah.
We'll start
Yeah.
from group 4. Where is Yogesh?
Please share your screen.
Hey, but where is Yogesh? First, he's there.
There, but he's on mute.
Yes, pa. I am in mute. I am also speaking as like office. Just a second.
Okay. Yogi, we'll go with group 4 to group 1 now from
Okay.
backside. Okay. So we can just start sharing the slides. Okay. Just
Yeah.
mute everyone except me. I'll tell
Yeah,
them.
that's just what I'm looking at. Wait. Yeah. I'll reach again.
What happened?
And I am just looking for where I can mute everybody. I forgot again.
Okay, but for this round, we need to unmute only group members, right?
Yeah, first I need to. I forgot where it is.
Hi everyone.
Dear, pa.
We'll see.
I think Alia Reina is coming now. अरे म्यूट किधर गया?
Yeah, Alia has entered now.
Alia is there.
Alia has just entered now.
Okay. Okay.
एक मिनट मेरा म्यूट किधर है मालूम नहीं हो रहा. I can't able to.
Venki, in the meantime, you can just tell the rule of the game.
Yeah, Venki, you can. Now I muted
Yeah,
everybody.
yeah. Okay, everyone not there, right? Okay, so okay. Let me explain you how this time we have planned a quiz. Last time we said that after completion of few rounds, last round you can pick one topic and you can answer it. So this time it is bit different. So we have completed one round and you'll be having three rounds for all the groups. After finishing of fourth round, the one who is at the first, okay, they will have an option to throw a topic to three of other teams. Let's think, after completion of four rounds, okay, Chetan team is leading. Okay, now in the fifth round we have four topics. Okay, Chetan and their team, they have an opportunity to throw a topic to group B, group C, or group D. Okay, so why we have kept this rule is because after winning four rounds, the easy topic is what we felt last time that they can pick it, but this time easy topic they will keep to themselves and they'll put it a challenge to other teams. So this kind of challenge where you have also an opportunity to come up with answers. If you have got all the answers, if Chetan has thrown you, then Chetan's team will be out of this quiz. So I I hope you guys understand, right? If any questions, just let me know.
No uncle.
Okay, fine. So we have group A, group B, group C, group D, right? So let's think, if group A, after four rounds they are coming at the first position. Okay, so for getting into group 5, if group A has won for after four rounds, group A has an opportunity wherein they will actually throw the topics, give topics to group B, group C, group D. Whatever the topics we have here, they will select. Okay, if group A has one, they will select as a team and they will tell, okay, I am giving this topic to group D or group C or group B. Okay, so if group A has given topic to group B and if they answer all the questions, okay, then it will be a challenge for group A to answer all the questions, right? Yogi, you understand or it's a bit complicated?
No, it's looking good, yeah.
It's okay, sir. So because I don't know how
They're
children are
meeting.
understanding. Last time it
No,
was kind of
Venki,
yeah.
Venki. Now, when the
Yeah.
group they when you're putting a question up, now A group will put a go this one for B
There
or
is
C or
the
something. They will
Yeah,
have
yeah.
the time,
Where is your seat?
and they will
Yeah.
have the time.
No,
They have to.
Huh? கீழ இருக்கும்.
Hello.
I didn't understand.
Who is that?
Who is that?
Sejal, huh?
Who is that?
Me.
Sejal. Okay.
Sejal.
Yogi, can you tell?
सेजल को हिंदी में बता देते हैं टेरना.
Hello.
Hello, Jay.
Yeah.
Can you? I think Sejal has some issues with that. Can you explain?
Uncle, today you dance, Uncle.
Okay. Venki, you can correct me. Sejal, now after our third round, we will have the points from each round.
Fourth round.
After fourth round.
Yeah.
So we have 4 groups. We will see who is getting the highest number, highest point.
Okay.
They can challenge to other 3 groups. Now, how you will challenge? We have some topics. You can choose which topic you want to challenge the other team.
Okay.
So once you challenge one team and they answer all the questions, then your team will be out from the game.
Okay.
If they are not able to answer, then that team has to go out.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So very simple. Till 4th round, you need to get all the points so that you will be on top and you will get an opportunity to challenge others. So make sure that you are getting the highest point.
Okay, Uncle.
Yeah.
Sure. You can start, Yogi. You can get into slides.
Okay, so I need to unmute group 4 right now.
Yes.
All the people.
Unmute group 4.
All.
Yeah, all the people. Yeah.
I need to share the screen first.
No. First unmute it, then we'll share the screen.
Okay, so unmute. I'm unmuting Harshada, Saugandhika, Chitta, Kaisi, Rogan, Archika. If you are able to yourself, okay.
Yeah.
Harshada done.
Unmuted.
Okay, I'm doing for Sarthak
Okay.
now.
Even I was unmuted.
Sarthak over. Harshika,
Spider-Man's back.
Archika का
मैंने प्लीज डांस for us लगता है
यार ये सार्थक
Please dance for
सर
us.
वेट कर सार्थक
Okay. Okay. I'll explain in between, Yogi, what the okay. Group 4, right? Group 4. Now the second round is you will have to identify the differences between the picture, and you have to tell what the difference is. Okay, we will actually unmute all the group members. You need to discuss with yourself, and we'll give you a time of 1 minute, and you need to identify what are the differences, and you have to let us know. Okay, understood?
Okay,
Right.
ये किसके एको आ रहा है
Madhu, they are mute.
हाँ group 4 are you ready
Yes. Uncle. Yes. Yes, Uncle.
okay other people just monitor okay don't speak anything so let them speak and let them conclude okay That
Okay,
is the most
uncle.
important.
Spell B.
You can get into slide mode only.
Yeah,
It is not visible.
Perfect.
What's the difference? I'm a pro.
Yeah.
Okay, round 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
All the difference.
Yogi, just monitor the time, okay? We'll give 1 minute to them. They have to come
Go
out
on,
with
go
how
on
many
mute.
differences in it.
One second,
Yeah.
timer correct.
So
1 minute. 1 second, timer. Okay.
Okay, let's see.
right, your time starts now.
I found. Uncle, the umbrella. The umbrella.
No,
Uncle,
you have to tell how many you can find in 1 minute. You have to keep on doing it. You have to
People can
discuss with your
discuss, huh?
team.
Yeah.
30 seconds over.
No.
Over team, 30 second, 20 second over, only 20 second left. You have to give answer also.
After 1 minute, they will answer.
Oh,
Yeah.
Uncle, 4 differences.
Uncle, 6, Uncle.
4.
We'll ask you once 1
okay.
minute is over.
1 minute is over.
Let's
1 minute
see.
is over.
Uncle, 6 difference.
Over, huh? Okay.
Uncle, 4 difference, Uncle.
Chirag and who is the ninth?
Wait. Let me take the count. So Chirag is saying 6. Okay. So who is saying
Arrow.
Array, first Rogan.
it's over.
No. Okay.
Uncle,
Uncle, 7.
5.
Yogi, go to
team.
back slide. Yeah.
Okay,
Fine.
team.
Yogi, yeah.
Venki,
Now tell me.
let the keep on the chat. How many they found?
7.
Yeah. I will keep, but I am just
Whosoever will
checking
be
with them.
highest,
What is the count?
whosoever will be highest, we'll check with them.
6.
No, it's not highest, but we need to check. What is it?
Okay.
Chirag is saying 7. Okay. So team Chirag, you have to confirm if 7 is okay with it.
7. And ಇದು work
7 is final, right?
Yes, Uncle, 7 is final.
7.
So A team is 7. So we will next go to group C. Next question, Yogi. We will tell you the result at the last. Now you can mute everyone in group 4.
Okay. So there is this slide flow will can continue, right? That won't be.
No. Now you can go. Yeah, you can keep on going. Just skip 2 slides. But we'll go to group C. But before that, you need to unmute group 4 and mute.
Harsada, you
mute
can
group.
tell. Harsada, Saugandhi. Harsada.
Okay, leave it later. Now I'm muting. Everybody's mute all participants. Mute all.
is having difference.
Okay, group 3 ready, get ready. Group 3 get ready. Group 3 get ready. Shara and Shara Meda, you can unmute yourself. I'm going with reverse. Alia joined, right? Okay, she's not there. Anvita is not there. Sanvi.
Uncle, I'll say the difference.
Who is that?
Uncle, I can say the
Rogan, it's over. Rogan, you're
It's
over.
It's over.
We'll see. We discuss later.
കൂടുതൽ ഇതാക്കണം നീ വെറുതെ എനിക്ക് പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ
Alias Harsha is not there. Uditi, Nans. Uditi. What? Okay, you joined with Uditi.
Change my name. It's
Yeah, I found it. Yeah, I found you. Unmute. Okay.
Okay, Yogi.
Shara.
before sharing, directly go to slide number 11 and share.
Okay, yeah, I'm going. Yeah. So now,
Sorry.
Sarah, Meda. Okay, Sarah, Meda, I think you can able to shoot with Madhu. Madhu, are you with Sarah? And I can mute.
No, uncle.
Okay, it's separate. So, group 3, are you ready?
Yes, uncle.
Yes, uncle.
Let's go. One is kills you.
Uh,
Like other kids will be very right? That will happen. Wait for your finish, then you do.
okay, group 3, get ready.
Yes, uncle.
Venki, I'm sharing the screen. Just
Slide number 11, direct go.
yeah.
After timer starts, you can tell them to.
Yeah. After timer, I will directly move. I will reverse the screen. Okay. Okay. The group 3. Your timer starts now.
Okay, okay.
Mm. 20 seconds left. Last 5 seconds. Time's up.
Okay. So discuss with your team. And no, you have to discuss with your team, right? So you need to speak. This is the difference I found. This is the difference I found. You have to take lead and you have to tell, right? Nobody is telling anything. You are just counting yourself.
Meda,
So
Yeah,
Meda, how much you got?
I got 4.
I got 8.
I got
who
6.
I got 8.
I got
okay,
6.
who got 8? Who got 8?
Sarah.
Uncle, me
Sarah
and
8.
Sarah.
Sarah 8.
Okay, Sarah. Okay,
Uncle.
I just will come back again. Okay, and next for group B.
Somebody spoke something. I don't understand. What is the question? What is the question?
अरे लाइट नहीं बटन ले
Okay. We are ready for group 2. I am muting everybody first. Mute all. Unmute Venki uncle. Archata, why you are joining now? You are in group 4. Over. So group 2 can unmute yourself. Bigger gates. Smaller round I'm doing.
Yes, uncle.
People over. Authority. Authority. Unmute. Vasudha. I think Vasudha. Okay. Are you ready? Group 2. Anybody is missing? Kunal?
Yes.
Okay. I believe all are unmute. Avinash, Manasuni, Pujit, Kunal, Vasudha. Eh, who is that? Group 2, are you ready? Venki, check.
Yes.
Sorry, slide 13.
13. 13.
Start.
Okay. Group ready for it. Ready, share content for group 2. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, uncle. Yes.
Okay. Timer starts. Group 3. Group 3. Group two.
Got stuck. Screen got stuck.
I can't do anything. Group 2. Give Avinash, give. Avi.
5, 6. ఒకటే అనిపించింది అప్పటి నుండి తప్పకూడదు అందరూ డిస్కస్ చేసుకోవాలి అవినాష్ 3
How many?
4 found 6
Time up.
Okay, what's the count, Yogi?
I got some 6, but I don't know who it is.
I got 6 uncle 4
Okay, who told 6? We need that number. Who
uncle
told?
Manaswini
Huh? Manu.
told
Manaswini, okay.
Okay.
Fine.
you
Next.
Yukta, how much you want? 6? 4?
6
6. Okay, both are 6. Anybody else have higher numbers?
uncle 6 only uncle
Pujit also same.
Okay, yeah.
Avinash mobile stuck.
uncle no 4 uncle 4
Okay,
not
leave it.
6
Or leave it, no problem. So, group 1.
Now Chetan.
Yeah, mute all. I'm just
Yeah.
give a second. Mute all. Unmute for other people. Group 1. Okay. What is the sound? Sunny. Adha. Bhumika. All group 1 ready?
Yes.
Group 1. Group 1. I can only see Chetan. अब सेजल किधर गया?
Yeah. Yogi, open it.
Which slide? I think सेजल का आवाज ज्यादा है.
15 Yogi slide.
No, yeah. सेजल थोड़ा
Now it's stopped. Now it's stopped.
Sejal, let it be mute. I think there are a lot of noise. You can do the number later. Okay, count you can tell anyway, discuss anyway, we can later. There are a lot of noise from your end. Which slide, Vicky?
15.
One second. From current slide. Okay. Group 1. You were going to start. Who is speaking? Anybody? Timer up.
Uncle 8.
Uncle
8,
12. Uncle 12.
Until 8. It's, Sejal, how many?
8.
Okay.
12.
8.
8 or 12?
I got 12.
Okay, fine. So then,
Uncle, how much it will be correct? That much marks will get, Uncle.
sorry,
Okay.
Chetan, I didn't get your question.
Nothing, Uncle. Nothing.
Okay. Jayant, are you there?
Mudinchima.
Hello.
Yes, Venki.
So everyone has come with their numbers, okay? So Chetan said 8. Sorry, in their team they got 8 and 12. Okay. So we'll check now what are the differences from them. Okay, and we'll also show you what is the answer for it. So why I've hidden answer in the first place, you'll get to know why I'm sharing now. Okay, Yogi, you can just go to slide number 9 and take the highest count. So Chirag said 7, right?
Chirag said 7. Chirag and Savandiya.
Chirag, Aishi,
Yeah.
Saugandhika said 7.
Uncle, I said
Okay.
4. Uncle, I said 4.
Okay,
Who?
fine. So go to slide number 9, Yogi, and we'll ask Chirag the differences what he has seen.
Yeah, once again, Param current slide.
Chirag and Saugandhika, both of them.
Yeah. All right, see. Anyway.
Both got correct.
No, not
No,
correct.
you are
They're
not
just
correct.
checking
You have to give
what
the
are the sound.
validity actually. Now this is the picture shown to you. So what are the
Yes.
Yes, uncle.
Uncle, my
Yeah.
difference was the hair.
Okay.
Then one difference. Then the stick.
Okay. No, see, you said Pujit how many? 4, huh?
I think
Uncle Pujit is in the other team.
Rohan said 4,
Okay.
Yes, I said 4.
Okay.
but in the group, the highest number is 7. That has given by Chirag, Saugandhika, Aishi. So
Yeah.
I think we
Yeah.
can go directly.
Yeah. We can ask them only. Yeah.
What is the 7th difference?
Uncle, first
They'll
one
tell.
is up of that
Chirag.
house.
Yes.
Rohan, behind the man, there's a big.
Hey,
There's a big one.
Pujit, it is not for your team first. Let's wait. Okay, Chirag will say.
Yes, sir.
Chirag will say. In that team, Chirag will say. Okay. If Chirag is there, then we'll have support from his team only. So let's wait for Chirag.
I put 1.
Rogan, you
I
also
put
keep quiet. Keep quiet little bit time. Yeah, Chirag.
Chirag.
Uncle, first one is up of that house. The direction is changed.
Okay. Fine. 1.
And
Yeah,
second
next.
one is the window. It has
Okay.
2 sticks and one more have only 1.
Right. 2.
And
Next.
the door color is different.
Okay. 3. Next.
And the hair is also different.
Okay. 4.
Then hat shape is different.
5.
Then
Next.
stick,
Next.
umbrella stick.
Yeah.
Okay. 6. Next. Last one.
And there are 2 ways for entering the door.
Where?
What is that?
Uncle, the 7th difference. Can I tell you the 7th difference?
Okay. Tell me, Saugandhika.
The 7th difference is under the house, like on top of the house, there's a
Right.
mushroom
Okay.
dome
Right.
kind of thing. There
Right.
are lines in the second picture, but
Right,
no
right.
lines in the first picture.
Okay, fine. So
So
That is the
Chetan
seventh
also
one.
told, yeah,
The
that
road.
is 7th one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it, right? From your team or anything you have found it?
No, anyway,
That's it,
Chirag
right?
only.
Yeah,
Uncle, the hair.
I think Chirag also told about that path.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is
Yeah, the
also
part,
considered.
green part.
Right.
So,
So that's it from your team or is there anything else?
Uncle,
Yes, uncle, that's it.
one more.
Okay. Which one? Not now.
Okay.
You said 7, it's over, that's it. Okay.
Uncle, I'm Harshika. Can I say one?
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Uncle, the door.
Hmm.
That is done. That is over. That is already told by Chirag.
Uncle, can
Okay.
I say?
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
For upon the house, something
Ah.
black stick is changed, Uncle.
Okay, fine. That is considered. That is done. Thank you. I think we can move to next team, Yogi.
Yeah.
They have actually
No,
told
whether we have to show
8.
the answer to them? No.
No.
I didn't say my own.
See, the thing is, totally when I see as a team, they are telling 8. But they told 7 on the first, but we have got another additional one. So
Okay.
total 8 points to them. Okay.
7 plus 1
Next.
because to the one additional things. Okay. Now
Yeah,
whether we
okay.
are going to continue the next slide so that the difference is clearly visible for everybody, or we are
No.
asking again group 3 to give that valid evaluation.
Give group 3, we will ask validation. Go to slide number 11. Just fast. That's it. You can do it here only, not a problem.
Okay. From current slide. This one, right?
Next. Next. Yeah.
Bus.
No,
Okay.
this one.
Bus.
Now,
Yeah, bus.
now we have to unmute
Bus.
people, right? Wait.
Yeah.
Yep, 1 second. This
Who
part.
told in this team?
Group 1.
Group 3.
Group 3.
This is not
Yes,
the
Uncle.
picture for group 3.
This is for group 3, Sarah.
Yes, Uncle.
Yeah. How you told 8, right, Sarah?
Yes, Uncle.
Yeah. Tell me the differences.
Uncle, the first difference is the dog's face. It has a line in the first picture and the second picture doesn't have.
Okay.
And then it doesn't have 1 foot.
Okay.
Then the window is different.
Window.
There is the window.
Where is the window here?
Above the dog.
Yeah. Okay.
And then the hat of the girl, it has a circle thing in the first, and then it has
Okay. Fine.
then the socks,
Okay.
then the pot,
Pot. Yeah.
and then there are lines in the walls in the first picture, but in the second picture it is not shown.
Okay.
And the dress, Uncle.
Okay.
And the
So
dog,
totally 8.
it has line, Uncle.
That they have already told. Dog. They have already told. So it's totally 8.
Uncle,
So
above the hat there's a bottle, but in the second picture and the first picture it's not there.
correct. But now you have actually told 8, right? So that will be only considered. Now you are telling the 9th one, so it's not big.
Yeah. So
Okay.
And Uncle, the tail.
Sorry.
Who's that?
Tail.
Who is that person? Person name? Can you?
Uncle, I made her.
Medha. I think that time we maximum got only 8.
Which tail? Which tail she's talking? I didn't know. Oh, cat tail, huh? Cat tail.
Yeah, Uncle.
Okay, fine. So that's it from your team, right?
Uncle, even that cap, that bottle is there, Uncle. That one I identified, Uncle.
That is
Yeah,
already Sarah told it. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Fine. So we have got 8 actually from this Yogi. Yeah, you can
Okay.
move to group B.
Group B, I think Manaswini and Yukta got 6. Manaswini and Yukta. Okay. One second.
You can say next, not a problem. They'll not find it. It's fine.
Yeah. Manaswini?
Yes, Uncle.
Yeah. You can proceed with 6 difference.
6 differences.
Yeah.
Uncle, the first one is
Yogi, you need to move the slide.
Uncle, next to the brown thingy,
Thank you. It is coming.
there's one thing opening its mouth and one is closing its mouth. That is the difference.
Manaswini, one second. Your voice is breaking. Vicky, just a second, Manaswini. I can't able to hear also actually. Other people?
Yeah, I'm able to hear.
Okay.
I'm able to hear, Manu.
Kauna? Yeah, Manu friend.
Yeah, Manaswini.
Manaswini,
Yeah, Uncle.
you can start.
Uncle, the second one is the fish. The first one is in purple color and the second one is in green color.
Okay.
And the third one is next to that in the down picture, green fish picture, there's someone's legs over there, and the up one there are no legs.
Okay.
And then behind the brown one, there's one in the first picture, but in the second picture it's not there.
Behind the brown one, there are 3, right?
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
in the first
Right,
picture
right,
behind
right,
is
Yeah,
right,
bigger one,
right.
purple.
Correct. Yeah. Next.
Uncle, can I say?
And then
1 second.
Wait.
cloud and mountain, uncle.
Okay. Next. Manaswini.
Yes, uncle. The
Yeah.
next one is the in one picture the head is towards one direction and the second one the head is to another direction.
Right. Fine.
6 over, right?
No, 5 only. I think one Bibu someone told. I think she's
I
told
got
only 5.
one.
Wait. Manaswini, you told only 5, right?
I got 6.
Very
You told
fine.
6, huh? Done. So any other?
Uncle, can I say?
Yeah. Kunal, tell me, Kunal.
Uncle,
I got one more.
Wait, Yukta. After Kunal, you can tell. Kunal, tell me.
Yeah, uncle, I got the 6th one.
Which one, Manaswini?
Uncle,
The one the tail is not there.
Okay, fine. Nice, good. Kunal.
Kunal.
Uncle, small thing is there, no, uncle. Over there it is tall and the second picture it is short.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Nice. What Yukta was telling something, right? Yukta,
Yeah.
what was your?
Yukta, what is your 6? Yukta?
Here in corner there is a tail of this bear and here it's not there in the second figure.
Okay.
Uncle.
Fine. Who is this?
Vasudha.
Vasudha. Yeah, Vasudha.
Uncle, near that black thing, there is a where its mouth is open. In the second picture, it's closed.
Yeah, I think it was
Yeah.
already told by
Already told,
Manaswini.
yeah. Fine. So it was 6 from this
6.
team, right?
Yeah,
I
thank
got
you.
Everything,
one
right?
more.
Now you can't tell.
Uncle,
Now-
behind
Yeah.
the ma'am, uncle.
Yeah,
In the
tell me.
last one, uncle, in the top left corner, the mountain has 2, uncle. In the
Very
up one,
good.
it has only 1.
Right.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. So overall,
Nice.
Vicky, 6 is 6. We
6.
got it.
6 only. Yeah, 6.
After
6.
the black animal,
Avinash mute लड़का.
one more animal is there. They are otters. They are otters.
Yeah. Move it.
Okay, for group 1 now. So what, I need to unmute everybody. I don't know how. Avinash, tell Avinash. Ayyo.
What is the correct answer?
Well, tell you just after Chetan
Oh,
asking.
yeah, we have only 5 minutes left.
Yeah. Quick.
Okay, group 1.
Quick.
Mute all. Okay, group 1, last group 1. Okay, let me. Okay, unmute yourself. All bigger one and smaller one. I'm doing. Sejal, are you okay? Group 1. Okay.
I am going to say where is the difference.
Sejal, your mic is too noisy. You have to find out a way. Your 12 difference. Okay. If too noisy, I'll tell directly. It is very noisy.
Uncle,
वो तेरा you can't hear anything. Hello.
योगी अभी ठीक है सेजल आप थोड़ा म्यूट में जाओ
हाँ.
Yogi, first we'll give to Sejal. Later find out 12 differences. Then we'll come to Chetan.
हाँ. और वही बात करना है उसको म्यूट में तो वो बात नहीं कर सकता ना वही प्रॉब्लम है.
Yeah, just take out.
The first difference is
Yeah, you have to be fast, Sejal. Come on.
there is 2 clouds, so in one cloud is itself
Yes,
there, and the
okay.
second cloud you can see the butterfly.
Right. One next.
And the second difference is the trees. There is in the second picture there is 3 trees, and in the first picture there is
Yeah.
2 trees.
Okay. Yes, next.
And in the left side grass there is something there, and in
Okay.
another picture is not there.
Fine.
And after
Three
that
next.
there one stone is there, and in another picture is not one flower is
Right,
there.
right. Okay. Four.
After that this cow, one like the back side one cow is there, that ears are like one ear is which ear should be up, that ear is
Okay.
down.
Right.
And it's opposite, so there I got 2 difference.
No, that's only one difference. That's only head difference. That's it. Not the ears.
Okay. And
Okay, yeah.
the next difference is that cows down one from where we get the milk.
Where is it? No,
What
that's
is-
not a difference.
No way,
Next.
not that down there. No, not that where we get the milk, back of that one leg is there, right? That one.
Jent.
the top cow, yeah.
No, the backside cow.
ये वाला this leg difference. What exactly?
No.
Yeah.
No, that's not a difference, Sejal. That is not a difference.
Make move on. I can
That
make,
is a difference. The backside
is
cow, the
difference only,
this
uncle,
cow
that-
is seeing right side.
Leg is different. The legs are near and one is far off. In one picture the legs are near and in another picture the legs are
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Backside one. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
And the next difference is, and the next
कितना हो गया अभी?
difference is
che. 6
Okay.
6
Yeah, Sejal.
and after that that backside cow is there, which is facing towards right. In front of that one flower is there, in another picture stone is there.
This is already told.
This is already
Fourth
told.
one.
You already
Fourth
told
one.
it.
No, that is not
No.
told. That
This
was
one.
the
This one.
backside
Another
one.
one. Another one. Correct.
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 7.
Yeah.
And
Correct.
after that
7.
the first cow upon that butterflies in different direction.
Right.
Wow.
Correct.
And after that the this wait the first cow, which is having the flower in the first picture, it is not there.
Which one? Flower.
And the cow's horn.
No,
That is fine. Right. Next.
Uncle, how much
No.
happened, uncle?
Now flower is 9.
And
horn.
one more is and one more right sorry, left side there is one flower, and another picture it is not there.
Yeah.
So how many
Right.